Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can add text to your videos on TikTok. So it's like been moved, and if you don't know where it is now, press the plus button. You can record a few seconds, but I'm just going to upload a video. So I'm just going to select this video. And then as you can see, the text is like no longer here. It is in adjust clips actually. And you're just going to press text, add text, and then write down the text you want, as you can see. And you can add in effects and stuff like that. And here you can adjust the duration, even copy it. It is much easier to do it now than before. To edit, just tap on the text or click on it to change it. Oops. And it is that simple now. That is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!